entering the field is the 2022 Auburn University Marching Band. This season, the band has highlighted campus initiatives that exemplify our university's excellence and innovation. Today, we showcase Auburn's increasingly important role in the military, commercial, and space aviation. Auburn has become a national leader in the advancements of technology for military air defense and training of pilots. Auburn School of Aviation offers career programs with both Delta and United Airlines, and the War Eagle flying team just won the top prize at the National Intercollegiate Flying Competition. In recognition of Auburn's extraordinary efforts to explore and protect the skies, we hope you enjoy our show, Taking Flight.
Control, this is Skyhawk. We have a visual on mission target. Affirmative, Skyhawk. Permission to engage. Alright, Tigers. Let's turn and burn.
Graduates like Ken Mattingly, Jan Davis, and Hank Hartsfield, Auburn Aerospace has a rich history preparing leaders in space exploration. With new missions on the horizon, we continue to give future engineers and astronauts the knowledge to work skillfully as they travel out into the final frontier. Whether the destination is Mars, asteroid, or even places unknown, the countdown is on.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Flight crew, OTC, close the lock devices, initiate O2 flow. The launch team is ready for pursuit this time. 1 minute. Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 1. Camera, let's
10, 9, ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, all engine run. Liftoff. Liftoff.
Liftoff of the space shuttle, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Quality station, visual and
and gentlemen, the 2022 Auburn University Marching Band. The Auburn University Marching Band is under the direction of Corey Sperlin, assisted by Nikki Gross. Director of Bands is Rick Good. The Auburn University Marching Band is under the direction of Corey Sperlin, assisted by Nikki Gross. Director of Bands is Rick Good. Percussion is instructed by Doug Roster and Aaron Locklear. Graduate assistants are Stuart Brockman, Allison Cloysdale, Colin Curriton, Chris Udell, and Natalie Smith. Auxiliaries are coordinated by Ashley Evans and instructed by Tricia Skelton, Jessica Coleman, and Amy Mutarelli. Your announcer has been Brian Elmore. Enjoy the rest of the game.
All right, nice job, everyone.